Hello, big warm welcome to the participants of the Dental Photography Workshop, Dental Photography Made Easy in the HKIDEAS. It will be on the second day of HKIDEAS. In the afternoon, we'll have a 3-hour workshop, which the first 2 hours is mainly lecture, and the third hour would mainly be practical. And you will be able to practice some of the dental photography skills that is included in the lecture, including the product photography, the portrait photography, and also we'll have some equipments of dental photography shown to you. So for all the participants, welcome. Please bring your dental photography gears, including the camera, the lens, the ring flash, or any flash that you're using. And also, if you are very interested in shooting the sliced tooth photo like this, please prepare your tooth slice too. Link of the procedures will be included in the email below too. So the workshop will be 3 hours, but I will probably stay a little bit longer to answer some of the questions. So make sure you charge your camera, you charge your flash, and charge yourself in order to enjoy the 3-hour workshop. See you there.